Quick tutorial: customizing Intune company portal, website, and app. Explanation: customizing the Microsoft Intune company portal allows IT administrators to create a branded experience for users, ensuring the look and feel aligns with the organization's identity. This tutorial will guide you through customizing the company portal, including branding and app source configurations. Steps to customize the Intune company portal. Step 1. Access Tenant Administration 1. Go to Intune Admin Center. 2. Navigate to Tenant Administration, Customization, and click Edit. Step 2. Set up company branding. 1. Customize the Intra sign-in page with your organization's branding. 2. Set colors to custom if needed, and use hex color codes to match your company's brand. Step 3. Configure app sources 1. Choose additional app sources, such as Intra Enterprise applications or Office Online applications, to display in the company portal. Step 4. Hide self-service options. 1. You can hide/remove buttons for actions like reset or removal on corporate devices, Windows and iOS. Step 5. Create and assign customization policies. 1. Create a customization policy for specific groups to override the default. 2. You can create up to 10 policies in your tenant. This process ensures a tailored experience for your users when accessing corporate resources through the company portal. Blog post: Creating Microsoft Intune